Hi, this is a solution connected factory workers which we have developed specifically for industries where workers are employed in health hazardous job roles. So for this solution we have 5 workers and 1 supervisor. So I am logging in with the credential of 1 worker so that he can view his health vitals. So for to develop this solution we are simulating readings of temperature, body temperature, heart rate, breathing rate, cadence and activity. So cadence is just the modulation of your voice. So I am logging in with the credential of 1 worker. Okay, so you can see that after logging in, the landing page is a dashboard in which he can see his own temperature data, cadence rate, the breathing rate which is captured per minute, and the heart rate. So these are the real-time values which are being generated using the sensors embedded in his jacket and the mask, oxygen mask. So to simulate some health conditions, so we have created a simulator in which I am passing few values manually. So for example, if I enter heart rate as 60 and I am simulating a body temperature so that he has a fever, so I am entering a value more than 100. So I am entering a value as 102, then breathing rate as 30 and activity 3 and cadence 20 something. Yeah. So I have just passed the values. So in the backend on AWS platform, it will wait for a couple of minutes so that the logic is run in the backend using Lambda function. And if the average of the temperature value of Bob comes out to be more than 100, then my system will throw an error that his temperature is more than 100 and he should take rest. So let's wait for the system to throw that error.
Hi, please take rest, John. You have fever. Your body temperature is 100 degrees.
So as you can see that the backend of the AWS says that he is having a fever, so that the supervisor will come to know that Bob has to take rest. So he is sent to either for a rest or a day off. So we can reset the simulation by pressing this button, rest taken. So this is a kind of indicator that now he is healthy and he can resume work. So we have also captured one more scenario in our solution in which the worker is not healthy, but due to the fear of loss of pay, he says to supervisor that he is healthy, and now supervisor he don't have anything to justify his claim. But since now we have embedded sensors embedded into his jacket, so these sensors are throwing the data. So even if he's saying that he is healthy, but if his readings are saying otherwise, so then also the system will our solution will tell the supervisor that he is faking his health and he is fit. So we for this module we are using machine learning, and we have built the model in the backend, which are verifying the parameters as per the health parameters. So this is our solution, and we also have quick site dashboards. So as you can see, we have also created quick site dashboard for the supervisor so that he can see all the health parameters of all the workers. So we have a Bob, Charlie, Peter, Sansa, Tyrion, and he can also come to know that how many times a Tyrion have high temperature or a high heart rate. So this is our solution. Thanks.